Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing Smartwatch i8 Pro Max. This incredible piece of technology is not just a watch, it's a fitness tracker, a heart rate monitor, and so much more. The i8 Pro Max is packed with features that make it the perfect companion for your active lifestyle. With a 1.8-inch HD IPS screen and a 2.5D curved full-touch display, this smartwatch provides a clear and vibrant interface for all your needs. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and comes in a variety of stylish colors to suit your personal taste. But that's not all. This smartwatch is also IP67 Life waterproof, has a long-lasting battery life, and supports a range of different languages. It's not just a watch, it's a personal assistant that's always by your side. With the i8 Pro Max, you can receive notifications, make and answer calls, monitor your heart rate, track your sleep, count your steps, and even use it as a Bluetooth music player and camera remote. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can customize the watch face with your own photos, so it's truly unique to you. Plus, it comes with a user manual, charging cable, and a sleek packing box. So, if you're looking for a smartwatch that does it all, look no further than the i8 Pro Max. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Smartwatch i8 Pro Max today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.